Yep, that was me right there, spending crypto exactly from my Bybit account. So let me explain to you what's happening right here, because right now you can be able to live crypto life with Bybit card. So with Bybit card, you can be able to get up to 10% cash back by simply spending your crypto that is in your Bybit account. And also of course, you can be able to pay anywhere, anytime with your crypto or fiat. All you have to do is just to click the link in the description below as well and create a Bybit account, and of course apply for this card. You can get this card anywhere worldwide, and you'll be able to spend all your crypto using Bybit card. All right, so you can see that you have got multiple options right here. You can spend your Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Ton, and stuff like that. If you have got some funds in any of these, coins and stuff like that, you can be able to spend those funds. I mean, this is better than banks and stuff like that, to be honest. So you can see also it has 100% rebates on selected partners like Netflix, Spotify, ChatGPT, TradingView, and stuff like that. And of course, you can also earn from 2% to 10% cashback rewards on your everyday spending. And so it's a very, very cool card, and it's got more exciting features like Apple Pay and Google Pay. You can pretty much go visual and spend instantly without needing a physical card. You can connect it to your Apple Pay or Google Pay. You can earn up to 8% APR in your airdrop funds, and of course it has free card insurance, no annual fees. So these are all benefits of simply using this card. And the most important, guys, you get 100 USD in free ATM withdrawals every month. So this is actually a bonus, and of course free worldwide delivery of your Bybit card. All right, so all you have to do is just to click the link in the description below as well, and your assets are protected 24/7. There's 2 authenticators and stuff like that. So very, very secure, more than banks. And guys, I also want to let you know that there's up to 1000 USD position airdrop going on this channel. Users are registered under Heavy Crypto. During the event, you'll stand a chance to receive a position of airdrop, and you guys can be able to select any pair that you want, like BTC, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and stuff like that. And all you have to do is just to complete tasks in the reward hub by simply following this process right here. Complete airdrop task, claim the airdrop, and then use it by selecting any position that you want to take, like Ethereum, BTC, and stuff like that. And then at the end of the day, take your profits. So it's very, very simple like that. The link to this airdrop is going to be in the description below. So all you have to do is just to register. All you have to do is just to register using my link and be able to stand a chance of getting up to 1000 USD. So this is, my name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to make a video and show you how exactly you can use your Bybit card and be able to spend and be able to live your life in crypto without needing the banks and stuff like that. Because right now I can see that this is a door for financial freedom. Know what I mean? So this is, my name is Arthur, guys. Therefore, some video, love and peace, and cheers, guys.